Hello boys and girls, it is Miss Gilbert and I am coming today to you guys to talk some math. And today we're going to start talking about subtraction. Do you know what subtraction is? It's the opposite of addition. In addition, we're putting two things together and we're finding a total. In subtraction though, we already have a total and we're taking some of those apart. Okay, we're separating them and we're going to be using the symbol minus sign, not a plus sign anymore. We're going to use the minus sign, and a minus sign is just straight across. Okay, so we're going to start today with a numberless word problem. Okay, so let's get ready. All right, so let's get to be thinking about it first before I give you any of the numbers. Some ladybugs were sitting on a leaf. Some of them flew away. So we're talking about what kind of insect? We're talking about a ladybug. You know what a ladybug looks like? A ladybug is red with black little dots on it and they're very small. I bet if you go outside this week, you might be able to find some. All right, and where were they at? They were sitting on a leaf and then some of them just flew away. They left, didn't they? All right, so let's put some numbers in there now because we know what's happening, don't we? You can visualize or see that in your brain. I can see some ladybugs sitting on a leaf and I see some fly off. Can you tell somebody beside you how many you think are sitting on the leaf? Tell your person, whoever is around you, tell them how many you think flew away. Okay? Good job. All right, so it says 10 ladybugs were sitting on a leaf. 10. That's all your fingers, isn't it? 10 ladybugs are sitting on a leaf and some flew away. All right. 10 ladybugs are sitting on a leaf. 2 flew away. How many flew away? 2. So does that mean that 2 more came and got on the leaf with them? No, that means that 2 of those ladybugs flew away, so they're not there anymore. How many are left to eat the leaf? Okay, so think about how many we started with. We started with 10, and 2 of them flew away. How many are left? Okay, so whenever we record this in our notebook, you are going to draw me a picture of what happened. Now remember, as a mathematician, you don't have to draw your picture exactly like what the item is. You can just draw circles or squares, just something real quick. Or if you want to be artistic, you can draw ladybugs. All right, so I'm going to draw 10 ladybugs in my math journal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can draw them 10 straight in a line. Or you can draw 5 on top and 5 on bottom, like a 10 frame. All right, but it tells me that 2 flew away. Now, and when we're doing subtraction sentences, we cannot erase those 2, because if we erased them, then we wouldn't know what the other number was, the other part. So when we do subtraction equations, we don't start at the front, we start at the very end, and we're going to put an X on those that flew away, okay? So I'm gonna mark out 2 ladybugs. 1, 2, okay? So I still have all of these ladybugs and then 2 of them flew away. Do you know how many ladybugs are left on that leaf? Can you write that number? Okay, so this part tells me how many are left. How many are left right here? All of those are left in there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ladybugs are left. And how many ladybugs flew away? 2 flew away. I can see my 2 parts. 8 and 2 are my 2 parts in my word problem. Let me show you how to write an equation to show this. In subtraction, we write the total first. We started with 10 ladybugs. So that's the number I'm gonna write first, 10, because that's how many I started with. when I first read it to you. And we're gonna use the minus sign now. So minus means that's how many got taken away. How many left? How many flew away? 2 flew away. So that's my next part of my problem. It says 10 minus 2 equals, how many are still there? 8. So that is how we write a subtraction sentence. 10 minus 2 equals 8. What does 10 represent? What is 10 talking about? 10's talking about how many ladybugs I started with. What is 2 talking about? 2 means how many flew away. And the number 8 in this equation means how many are left. Very good. I'm going to give you another one, and I want you to do this one all by yourself, okay? We're going to still use ladybugs. And I'm going to draw me a squiggly line to separate it so it don't all get on top of each other. And you're going to draw this, and you're going to show me in the comments a picture or video of how you figured it out. So I'm going to go ahead and read it to you, okay? It's going to say, there are 6 ladybugs on the leaf. 6 ladybugs. Okay? 3 of those ladybugs flew away. How many are left? Can you write that in your notebook? 6 ladybugs are on a leaf. 3 flew away. How many are left? All right, so make sure that you get that one done in your notebook. And I'm going to show you an activity you can play and then a challenge. All right, we're going to use our deck of cards again. And what you're going to do is you're just going to be playing card stack. And there's 2 ways you can play this game. So you're just going to turn over a card. Look at the number. How many? 6. So what you can do is you can take clothespins if you have clothespins at your house. And I'm going to clip that many on my card. So I need 6 clothespins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right? Or you can take some things that you're using to count with. I have money today, some coins, and I'm going to put 6 coins on my card. Or you could put 6 coins underneath of it. Okay, do you see my card right here? So I'm going to put 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then you're just going to do another one. You're just going to keep going. How many this time? 4. So you can put 4 of your counting tools, or you can put 4 clips on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, can you do, I want to see if you can do 10 of those. Show me 10 cards that you have stacked some tools on top of, some counting tools, or that you put clips on, okay? Now here's your challenge. Today I want you to start at number 37 and count all the way to 100. So we're starting not at 1, we're starting at 37 and going all the way to 100. That is a very important kindergarten skill for you guys to make sure you can do is count to 100 from any number. All right? Now, if you can do that really quick and you thought, that was easy, I want you to see if you can write it. Can you write numbers that far? From 37 to 100? All right. I can't wait to see the work that you guys have been doing. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.